What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's makeup tutorial, we're going to be going over this zombie. And this is my friend Colleen. She is one of my good friends that we met on Instagram. And we decided to collab. So if you don't know how to recreate this, continue watching. If you're not already, please hit subscribe and give this video a like and leave a comment down below. But also, her channel will be linked down below. So go, please give her channel a like, subscribe, and watch the video she did on me, which she glammed me. But other than that, if you want to see how we done this, continue watching. If you have not already,
subscribe to your channel.
So if you have not already, subscribe, and let's hop into this makeup tutorial right now.
Subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe!
I can't hit that note. Alright, so starting off, we're going to be taking Skin Tight Silicone, which is a prosthetic silicone, and we're going to be mixing part A and part B together, equal parts.
Is it liquid?
Yeah, it's kind of like
cool.
Snot.
Snot, yay.
So if you want to, you could tell us about yourself or anything.
You asked me because I don't know where to start.
So, I'm trying to think, what I could ask. I don't know what that.
I should have gone to art school. I know that much. But I was stupid and young, in love. Had to get married.
Well,
didn't have to get married. Let me rephrase that. I did not have to get married. I wanted to get married. I wasn't in the family way. It's not why I had to get married. Not that it matters. Just saying. I did not put the cart before the horse. Y'all, the sounds are just amazing that are coming out of this stuff.
Oh, hey, kitty.
Oh, she's coming in. Jasmine's coming to visit.
Alright, so after you get equal parts,
kind
of looks like a lot of snot or
phlegm.
Other stuff. And you just want to take something, spatula or something, just to mix it up really good and really well. Oh, I wasn't even showing them. But, so just mix it up, equal parts A and B, and then after you get it mixed really well, you can start applying it to your model's face or your own face. But we're going to go in, we're going to tint it with a little bit of acrylic paint, which is in shade Deceased Flesh. I didn't know they made...
I didn't know they did
I didn't either until I found this and
That's
I was like,
hilarious.
Okay. And this one's, what is this one? Dark Flesh. That's not even dark.
It's more like pink to me.
So you just want to mix it together really well.
That'll be our next collab.
Oh yeah, well you are going to have a full face of silicone though.
I'll learn how to do it and then I'll gore you up.
Did you see
He's like, no.
I don't care. I'll let you do it. I would say we could do a challenge where you try gore, I try beauty, but that wouldn't work. You could try gore.
Yeah.
I couldn't try beauty because I already do it.
Well.
I can do beauty blindfolded.
I've done that.
Is that hard?
Yeah. It's on my YouTube with my sister.
I haven't watched it.
She laughed. Oh my god, it was hilarious. She was just there to make sure that I could do it. Yeah. That's what I did.
Alright, so after you get your stuff mixed together, you want to let it thicken just a little bit. So we're going to take an Elmore's washboard glue stick and we're going to really block out her eyebrows so we don't get silicone inside of them. You ever had this done before?
Mm-mm, I haven't. It's the first time I've been gored up.
Well, you could use this in beauty if you want to just draw on your eyebrows. Or just shave your eyebrows off.
No, I won't do that. Have you ever been to the IHOP in Shelby?
A long time ago.
There is this girl, she hasn't worked there in a while. But I swear to God, you could still see her eyebrows, but she would draw her eyebrows on above her eyebrows.
Okay.
And the ones that she drew on, I know to each their own, let me just say that, but they were hideous. And it took everything I had every time I went in there to not say, I can help you with those. But I never did. She don't work there anymore.
Well, see, I hate when people have like blonde hair and they do their eyebrows black.
Yes.
Like,
mine were kind of dark this morning and I put powder over
yours
them.
went natural then.
No, but that's because I put powder over them. because for some reason they got darker this morning. I don't know what happened.
Mm-hmm.
So I was like, I'm not used to this dark, so I put powder over top of them, and it helped. Thank God.
Do you have a little bit of powder there?
Yes.
Alright, so now you got your model's eyebrows blocked out. You want to take your silicone that is kind of tacky and drying right now. You want to start sticking it all over their face. But before that, can you put Vaseline in your hair?
Yeah, that's fine.
You want to Vaseline the edge of their hair so that you won't get silicone on their hair because it'll be a bad time.
Please don't.
I'm not going to go to the edge of your hair.
hair.
I'm just going to do this just in case.
Like my sideburns.
Mm-hmm.
I shaved them off and then I decided I didn't like to that because I had to keep shaving them every day. I was like, no. So they're growing back in.
Alright. I'm about to grab that for the lid. So now, taking your silicone, you want to start putting it on your model's face and just building it up however you want to build it. So we're going for a zombie today, but we don't know what kind yet. We're just going to build until we go. How does this feel? Weird?
Feels like I'm getting a facial.
Sticky?
I've had tons of facials, so it does kind of feel like they're putting something, you know, just to sit on the face for a little bit. Then.
So we're trying to build up her brow bone, and I might have to add a little bit of cotton. I think it's latex. I don't have latex with me. Make sure that your model is not allergic to latex or any material that they're using or that you're using. So I ripped up some cotton swabs, cotton balls like this. And we're just going to stick this around the eye sockets so that we can really
Make it look like they're sunken in.
Yeah.
See, I've done zombie makeup before, but with nothing like this. Just
See, I've never done it build up like this with silicone and cotton.
Mhm.
I've always used latex and cotton.
okay.
So we're trying this new today, but it looks like it's working the
Face
same.
is feeling twitchy. Well, my face will be exfoliated when I take it off.
And if we pull this off correctly, you'll have this copy of your face.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be so cool.
Hang it up in your office. Take it. Yeah, take it to work.
Take it to work and show everybody. I just feel, I can tell it's drying.
Oh yeah.
It makes that little tickle feeling, you know. And I would tell you if it was burning.
But yeah, so if you're working with silicone and you're working with latex at the same time, you can't. So
Okay.
if you have a mold for a prosthetic and you're going to pour silicone in it, if it's been poured with latex before, you can't.
Oh, okay.
So once it's a silicone mold, it's a silicone mold. Well, not really. You can use a silicone mold as a latex mold, but once you pour latex in it, it's no longer a silicone mold.
Okay.
But if you just keep it silicone or gelatin, it'll stay that way. But if anytime you put latex in it, it's automatically latex, no longer silicone. Because something about
Which
it.
it makes sense.
Yeah.
Because that.
I mean, something about it.
Because if you're
doesn't-
making a mold and you put the latex in there.
My brow feels heavy now. This eyebrow's on fleek. And the longest I've wore as eye makeup is 13 hours.
Oh my goodness.
But yeah, it's always fun wearing makeup and going out in public because you never know the reactions.
Well, and then after a while too, like you forget you have it on.
Yeah, like someone came
And
up to me,
then-
she was like, "Where'd you get that mask?" I'm like, "Mask? What are you talking about mask?" I'm like, it's not a mask. You cannot see these edges on my, like they were blended to my skin really
Right.
well. She's like, "Did you just come out?" And the people were yelling at me, they're like, He just came off the set of Walking Dead, and I was thinking to myself, no, I didn't, but I'll go with it.
Yeah, I'll go with it.
And I have friends.
Yeah, I wore all this makeup all the way back from Alabama.
It was
Or
Georgia.
Atlanta, I mean Georgia. Yeah.
4-hour drive.
Yeah.
I mean, I would do that just to see people's reaction. And I dressed up like the Joker, but with my long hair, it was like. So driving down through Main Street, well, main town Dallas, and then Turville, especially stoplights and stop signs and traffic light. Well, stoplights, yeah, stoplights and traffic signs, you get looks. Yeah, it's always fun. Alright, so taking a cream paint, we're going to be taking a black, and we're going to be darkening and sinking in her eye sockets. The contact lens hub, they're really comfortable and they're always having sales going on. And they're FDA approved. You can pretty much get any color there. And they also sell Scalera, but I'm not trying that.
No, it doesn't look very fun. I'm sure it's really hard to get in too.
So I'm going to take this purple shade right here of cream, and we're really going to like go on the edges of the black and add a little bit more of a blended, kind of like a shadow, but more sunken in look. And I'm going to take this big blush that I can't even speak.
Blush.
With the black on it and just really blend this out a little bit more. Is it fine? Bothering you? Anything?
Do the same thing.
So I'm going to take this back to this one cream palette and take this green with a little, well, this kind of looks like fishing string.
Like a stippling brush.
Yeah. And we're really just going to stipple some green all over her face. And not too much. We wanted to give it like this mossy type feel. Makeup wedge. And kind of twist it, blend it out. Cream paint. Kind of mix it with the green, just a little. And give her this rotten feel.
Because I'm a rotten girl.
So I'm going to take a little bit of dark flesh acrylic paint. And we're going to squirt some out on this little tray. So you take a makeup wedge and you really want to like plug some of the edges out of it in the center to give it like a broken capillary type of feel. And we're going to take this, oh, that was a sponge.
That's right.
We're going to take this dark flesh acrylic paint, and we're going to really go on the outside edges and give her kind of like the dirty zombie, basically a bronzer type of look.
No, you walkers, you got to have your bronzer too.
I'm gonna bring my scab blood, but it dried up. And I was like, okay.
Oh man, don't you hate it when your scab blood dries up? Then what do? Pick it?
Yeah.
I always said if I was gonna name a band back in the 80s, it would be the Scabs, and then you could have a button that said if I was gonna choose, I'd choose the Scabs. I'd pick the Scabs.
That's good. Second is black cream paint again. We're gonna be sinking in the nose.
It smells like crayons.
I don't know, not really. Maybe it does you.
Cheap crayons.
Yeah, well, it's not crayons.
No, but I'm just saying that's what it
Better
smells
not
like.
be.
You know how when you break a crayon,
Mm-hmm.
it smells like that.
Alright, so taking this red cream body paint, we're going to take it on the same brush as we've done with our black, and we're really just going to give it type of like a raw, dark meat in the center of the nose and around the whole nose socket. Did you see where Mikey, or Glam and Gore, turned Manny Emu into a zombie?
No!
Oh yeah.
I have to watch that.
So taking the C's, no, I don't know what this is. No name. So we're taking no name. So taking this color acrylic paint, it's kind of like, I don't know, mustard yellow, I think. We're really just going to go in and really, since we have the sponge ripped open, or not ripped open, but ripped, you go in and get a lot of texture with this sponge. So we're just going to really cover the entire area, and we'll go back in and do details.
Face ID didn't work. She won't answer. Hey, I'm not feeling really well at all.
Oh my god. I'm going to show you to my B&D group.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Alright.
This is my sister.
Hi! Aren't I pretty?
I don't know if you want to see, I don't know if you want your husband to see you like this or not.
I'll just take pictures. It's our anniversary tonight, so I don't think.
Does he know that you're having something?
Yeah.
I was going to say,
Yeah.
because he'll be like,
I
what are
told
you
him.
doing on our anniversary? I'm going out like this.
No, I told him. I was like, I got a guy coming over that he's got a YouTube channel and he does a lot of FX. And I showed him some of your pictures, and he said, cool. I said, he's going to do my makeup and gore me up, and then I'm going to glam him. He goes, okay.
Should your dad see these glam videos? I'm like, I don't care if he does or
Right.
not. I'm like, so he's been watching them. And I've done the full face using my mom's makeup.
Uh-huh.
He was like, why are you using your mom's makeup? I'm like, it's a challenge?
Because I didn't have my own dad.
Well, I mean, I did, but it was a
I
challenge.
know, but
And-
that's what, I mean, that's just my smart mouth.
Well, seeing the video, I was talking about, like, how I think it's okay for a straight guy or any straight guy, man, boy, whatever, to do makeup. Or
Right.
if you're gay, do whatever. But my whole video was about a straight guy doing makeup.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like, I want to be the first like male influencer who is straight who does beauty makeup, because I don't know that there is one.
Yeah, I don't really
So I was like,
know.
I want to be the first one. But like I want to be the first one, and let like big companies know that straight men can do it. I mean, straight men do it. So straight
Right.
men or drag queens.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Okay, so I'm taking some fake blood and we're gonna put it all the way around her eyes and nose like I already have. Now we're going to stick some around her mouth, and we might add a little bit of a darker blood as we go along, but right now we're just using a fresh red blood that we use on the eyes and the nose. Do you mind if I stick this over your lips? Or
Mm-hmm. No, it's fine.
if it bothers you, just let me know.
Goes in and she starts yelling, sassy, sassy, and we're like, what's she yelling at? So then she sees her, she's like, that's my cat. We're like, well, we've had her for like 3 years. She's like, well, we can't move from Florida, and she went missing or whatever. So when she kept trying to holler for her, Fluffy, which is called Sassy by her, took off running away from her. And came around to us. She was like, well, guess what? She's your cat now. So we have her. And then a couple months ago, this black cat came to us really, really, really bony. Like, you can see his ribs. He only has one eye. He came to us, we started feeding him. He's like 30 pounds now. Wow. So everything we rescue her. They have everything came to us. And then have koi and goldfish. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sure you realize when I start talking, I just talk. Okay, so I'll go.
She comes out with shaving cream.
Okay.
Alright, tell me what you think.
Get the big mirror. Ooh. That looks cool. I'm all rowdy.
Alright, so this is the final look. So we added a lot of blood, but she has perfect teeth.
I know, don't I? That's the first time I've ever been told that.
She's a little starving zombie. White teeth.
I ain't hungry.
I mean, you were fine with white teeth. They'll just evaporate
There,
in a minute.
now. There we
Okay,
go.
we'll restart it. So this is the final look. So we added a lot of blood and we messed up her hair and we put a little bit of blood on her teeth. And yeah, so thank y'all guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit subscribe if you have not already and leave a comment down below. And otherwise, we'll see y'all guys in the next makeup tutorial. And remember to go check out her channel and go watch her video she done on her channel because she glammed me. And leave her a comment on her channel and subscribe if you have not. Otherwise, we'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye everyone.
Bye.